Full disclosure, this isn't a hyper-edited video that's going to be entertaining for someone with a short attention span. So if that's what you were expecting, I'm sorry, but that's not what you're going to be getting. However, if you're a busy professional who wants to improve their health and happiness, then you're in the right place. Here are 3 cheat codes for life. 1. Discipline gives you freedom. Most people lack self-control, which is why most people are unhappy and dissatisfied with life. Just think about it. If you did everything you said you would do, every day for a year, regardless of how you felt, what would your life look like? Better in many ways, I'd assume. But how do you actually do that? In my experience, it only takes one activity to build discipline. Because if you can cultivate it in a single aspect of your life, it will spill over into the rest. My personal recommendation is martial arts of some kind. For me right now, it's boxing and eventually MMA. It's difficult and you will suck at it in the beginning just like everybody else, which is why I recommend it. More than the physical challenges, the mental obstacles that you'll overcome as you progress in your training will make you a more disciplined and confident person. 2. If it's not a priority, don't spend time on it. Your calendar is a reflection of what you value, aka your priorities. If you're not sure what your priorities are, then you absolutely need to hear this. If you spend too much time on things that don't matter to you, you'll end up living a life designed by everyone but you. I'll say that again. If you spend too much time on things that do not matter to you, you will end up living a life designed by everyone but you. Here's the cycle. Take a picture of it, write it down. Even if you forget everything else that I say, I want you to remember this. Your identity determines your priorities. Your priorities determine your actions, which is how you spend your time. Your actions define your outcomes, which is your future, and your outcomes reinforce your identity. It's a repeating cycle that you experience with every single decision you make. For example, if you prioritize your health, you'll start exercising. When you start exercising, you're going to be in better shape. When you get in better shape, you'll start to believe that you're a healthy person, which reinforces this new part of your identity. As a result, the next thing that you fix is your diet, then your sleep, and you just keep going. You get addicted to personal progress and mastery. This is the flywheel to propel your life in any direction you choose. And when I say any direction, yes, that also means that it can lead to worse outcomes if you make poor choices, so choose wisely. 3. Enjoy the journey. When most people talk about this online, it's completely impractical. Yes, it's ideal to be financially free and working on something that you love, to be surrounded by people that you care about, and to have fantastic physical and mental health. I think that's awesome, and I think we should all strive for it. And for those of you who already have it, well, I don't think I need to tell you to cherish it. But if you don't have all of those things yet, it's not as easy to quote-unquote enjoy the journey. However, that doesn't mean it's impossible. No matter where you are in life, there is something about this moment in time that you can appreciate. Right now, I'm working almost 100 hours a week between studying, my jobs, the hospital, and my company. I don't like every part of it, but I still enjoy the journey. Mostly because I know I'm acting in accordance with my priorities, and also because I use a framework that helps keep me sane. Here's how it works. Do something that's not work-related that you genuinely enjoy for 10 minutes every day, 1 hour every week, and 1 day every couple of months. For me, I like walking outside, so I will get outdoors for at least 10 minutes every single day. Even if it's pouring, I will take an umbrella, get soaked, and be delusionally happy about it. And then I'll go take a shower. Every week, I play basketball. I still train every day, whether it's in the gym, boxing, running, etc. But the one thing that I enjoy more than any other form of physical activity is playing basketball. I've stuck to it for nearly 20 years now, and I will continue sticking to it for the rest of my life. And every once in a while, I might take a day off, usually when it's a family birthday or if I'm doing something with my close friends. I know it doesn't seem like much, but it's made a huge difference in my life. After all, I can only speak to the things that I've learned based on my experiences. As always, take care of your health, and it will take care of you.